In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Sharex on Windows. Sharex is a popular, free, open-source screen capture and sharing tool, and setting it up from the official source only takes a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and going to getsharex.com, the official Sharex website. Before you click anything, confirm you're on the genuine site by checking that the address bar shows getsharex.com with a lock icon. Downloading directly from the source helps you avoid outdated or bundled installers. On the home page, click the Download button. Your browser will either begin downloading right away or ask what to do with the file. Choose Save so the installer is stored on your PC. Most browsers put downloads in the Downloads folder, and you can also open your downloads list from the browser menu to see progress. When the download finishes, find the installer in your downloads list or the downloads folder, then double-click the .exe file to run it. If Windows displays a permission prompt, that's user account control, verifying that you want to allow the installer to make changes. Click Yes to continue. The Sharex setup window will appear. Follow the prompts on screen. First, review the license and accept the agreement to proceed. Next, choose where to install Sharex. The default location on your system drive is recommended for most people because it keeps apps organized and avoids permission issues, but you can select a different folder if you prefer. With the location set, click Install. The installer will copy the required files and set up Sharex on your system. You'll see a progress bar while files are copied. Just let it run. This part usually takes less than a minute, depending on your computer and any antivirus scanning in the background. When it's finished, the setup will confirm that installation was successful. And that's it. You've downloaded Sharex from the official site, opened the installer, accepted the agreement, chosen an install location, and clicked Install. Sharex is now installed on your Windows PC and ready whenever you need it. If you want to revisit any part, pause and replay as you go. Thanks for watching.